Bro, I've been looking for you everywhere.
What did we do?
And ladies and gentlemen, my toy for the night. Today is going to be sick.
What up, player? Let's do this. We are going to get rocking and rolling. Bucket list time. 1400 horsepower twin turbo Lambo. Let's do it. All right, so this car right here, it is a Stage 2 Dallas Performance twin turbo Gallardo. It's a Spider. It is super sick. It is rowdy. It is loud. Obviously, it's super cold out here. We're on some super slick tires, so we're not going to push it too hard. We're just going out to Dice Car Meet tonight to have an awesome time and have a blast with good friends. Passing over the lake right now. It's absolutely beautiful. There goes Mark and his GTR. This beast needs some gas, so we're stopping by the gas station real quick before we hit the meet.
Nah, I like you. I think you look pretty damn hot.
Yeah, right?
Yep, in my bay. Hey, your ride looks pretty good though. You didn't need any gas, did you?
Nope.
Nope.
We are at the meet. Bro, I've been looking for you everywhere.
Bro, I've been filming like a motherfucker.
I had the car on, I was revving it, everybody came over, they started liking it.
I heard it.
Aaron did his, sounded good.
But your car, it's gonna be sweet this year.
Oh yeah.
But it looks like shit, right?
Looks like shit.
Yeah.
But it's nice.
There's not
Hey.
even a mirror, bro.
No, bro.
Bro,
But this is the
that
sexiest
mirror is
turd
barely
I
on
have
there.
ever seen.
That's a monster turbo.
Like this is
It's called duct tape.
this is a good smooth turd. Like when you let out a good turd, you're like, oh man, that's a good turd.
Yeah.
You just called it.
What's going on, buddy? How
What you doing?
Nothing, man. I'm over here talking to Betty La Fea, man. She's gonna be running at IFO this next month.
This one?
Yeah. Oh,
Nice.
Yeah. She's
How you doing, man? I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. She's gonna be doing good.
I like the color.
Yeah. 100%.
You remember this guy every week. Tune Ethan Hopkins himself. Track star.
We're building race cars.
We're building race cars.
Yeah. Come out there and
This is my boy. He's the one organizing the event. Dice Car Meet right here. Link in the description. We got a pretty good lineup here tonight.
There's so many.
You should have seen the drive over here. We were stopping traffic. Hi, I'm Ryan. Oh my God. Wow. That's what people say about my girl too. Like, whoa. And I got another buddy here joining me. Super Leggera. Looks great. I think I set it off with the Lambo. I think everybody wanted to start revving after the Lambo.
And I did it, and then Rafa did it, and now everyone's doing it. Where you at?
Hey, who shot the AK-47?
I'm sorry.
Who was it? Who was it? Hey, who asked the gun? I heard it. What did we do? What did we do? All I know is that they better hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button. That's what I'm doing.
I think people are rolling in.
Knows that they better hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button.